So we're laying on the forest floor, and I ask you, how would you define a plant? You might say, green, has leaves, and photosynthesizes, using the sun's energy to create its food. Very good, and that definition is often accurate, but not always. The world of plants is weirder than we can possibly imagine and full of rule breakers. This is Snow Plant.
It's Snow Plant!
And that's me this past summer in California's Sierra National Forest on the land of the Nime or Mono people. Snow Plant's botanical name is Sarcodes sanguinea. So why was I so excited to find it? Well, most plants are autotrophs, producing their own food with chlorophyll, the green pigment that allows them to do photosynthesis. Sarcodes, however, is a mycoheterotroph, meaning it relies on fungi for food. To the forest floor! In this very soil, fungi and plants are forming mycorrhizal associations. Essentially, the fungi connects their root-like web of mycelium with the roots of plants, forming a symbiotic relationship where the plants provide photosynthetic sugars and the fungus provides water and mineral nutrients from the far reaches of its mycelium. Sarcodes sanguinea has hacked into this relationship, hitching a ride on this nutrient superhighway and feeding on both the products of the fungi and the trees they're connected to. And yet, it's still a plant. It's actually an Ericaceae, the same family as blueberry and this heath plant right here. Just compare their fused urn-shaped flowers. Sarcodes, though, has evolved this lifestyle as a way to survive without sun on the shady forest floor. But it doesn't stop there. You may find another parasitic plant using the same host. Viscaceae is the mistletoe family, and while you may know it well as the thing people pucker up under during holiday times, you may not know that all mistletoes are parasitic. While Sarcodes is a holoparasite entirely dependent on its host for nutrients, mistletoes are stem hemiparasites, meaning they can produce some of their food through photosynthesis, but they tap into the stem vascular tissue of their host for nutrients and water. Beyond this, nearly every terrestrial ecosystem has diverse holo and hemiparasites, with many of them being iconic, beautiful, and economically important. And while parasitism may sound scary, remember, these plants play a part in complex ecosystems. Western science often encourages us to look at things objectively, within a vacuum, but in reality, we're all defined by our relationships, and there's so much complexity that we have yet to even discover. We must make room for the weird, the baffling, and the unknown. This was my ultimate bucket list Sierra's plant.
Penny,
Ultimate bucket
that's
list
it.
Sierra's plant.